Another day, another exercise. Morning guys. Morning na dito sa Bahrain. Almost 5 a.m. Stretch muna bago tayo mag-running, walking outside. Mamaya update ko kayo pagka nandun na ako sa park. Papasikat pa lang araw. Wala pa yung mga ka-joggers ko. Maaga pa ako masyado. Mamaya pa siguro. Ang ganda ng araw. Another beautiful day. Update ko kayo mamaya pagka andito na sila. Dito muna ako mag-start. Tapos babalik tayo. Hopefully makagawa tayo ng 10,000K today. Ayan na guys, nandito na ako sa end, but I will not continue further there in the other phase because the groups are waiting for me. See this beautiful walkway here in Bahrain, Juffair. Main road here, and here is a beautiful sunrise. Araw-araw, at least every day I'm aiming to reach at 10,000 steps, and my goal is to be fit and healthy. Kailangan ka dito kasi ang mga katakbo mo dito, mga runner, taga US Navy talaga. So yun, I think now I did already 5K, so I need another 5K later on. Still early guys. It's only 5:30. Hinga lang lola. Bagets. See this beautiful view behind me. Pero takbo na naman mga ka-joggers ko. Hi, I'm Shmita. Good morning. So friends, I'm finally back home after 2 hours of jogging, running outside and walking, and I finally did it. 13,000 steps. It's around 10 kilometers combined walking and jogging. And you know, I'm doing this and hopefully will motivate me more in the future. Because you know, I have some not just major issue about health. It's a minor health issue, like I'm struggling with weight loss, fluctuating, and I'm really happy because I have a group of friends who really motivate me to keep going and achieve our goals. Our goals is like to keep fit and healthy, especially with this our current situation now. Really, we need to boost our immune system to keep away from the COVID, and hopefully I will update you every day, like what will be our like COVID situation here. And I guess this is the end of my vlog for today. I chose amigos and amigas. Hasta la vista.